Hi guys, I'm Jody, an ALT here in Japan. So today I will tell you what are the things that they will give you before you start teaching. First, they will give you this monthly schedule. So nandito kung may test sila or kailangan mo bang pumasok sa mga class na yon. So you have to check this too. Second, your annual schedule. Interact will give this to you para maplano mo din yung mga gala mo. Third, they will give you this weekly schedule. So this is the odd week schedule and even week schedule. So you have to check this too. Depende nga din pala sa school nyo. Sa school ko, meron akong days na 5 ang classes na papasukan ko at may days naman na 3 lang. So sa mga vacant time, pwede kang mag-prepare ng iyong mga activities or tumulala lang. And of course, they will give you the teacher's book and also the student's book. So, ito yung gagamitin mo for the whole year. So, sa mga papunta na dito as an ALT, good luck sa inyo! Bye!